Wow.
Yeah.
And this is a regular neighborhood, babe.
Yeah. What do you mean?
It's a regular neighborhood.
Just like everywhere, all right. Is everybody just hanging out and walking around?
So anak, sa Landmark merong cellphone doon?
Lalabas pa tayo ng Landmark.
Ah, okay, that's fine. The phone.
Hard na makasagot sa'yo dahil wala akong load.
Wala ka na, naubos na.
Pero nalagyan na ni May.
Nalagyan na ano?
Oo. Si ano, LJ. Okay lang.
Nagayaya na niya.
Sino yung LJ?
Lily Joyce.
Okay, that's right. His daughter, his baby.
Hello. Hello. Yung tubig na. Yung pera mo na iwan ko yan. Oy. Yung tubig na.
My street.
Sana Dr. Edwards.
Ano, street to anak?
Support eh.
Oh, okay, okay.
Doon sila nakatira dati, Tita Bebot. Daanan natin. Hindi ko na ituro sa'yo. Sorry.
Yung tubig na gagamitin.
Nandun pa ba yung apartment?
Nandun pa. Pero ano na,
Street na, ha?
I mean,
Dati yung damuhan, anak may mga tubig at tulay-tulay pa yun eh.
Bili natin. Yung tubo, tapos natuloy yung tubig. Saka yung gagawin. Yan na.
Now, these are the squatters.
yeah.
And they just put the house together with cardboards.
Some plywood.
Plywood.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tabig din ah.
Wow.
He just went to the market. That's his basket.
Wala, yun ang pusa niya ako.
Everything are fresh when they cook.
You go to the market every day and
Yeah,
it's like,
and they cook it right away.
Ano niya man?
Eh, anak, so meron doong formal na pants.
yeah, no,
Okay.
marami.
Okay.
That's the biggest cemetery here in Makati.
It's gonna be able to see.
Ibang entrance to lang. Cemetery.
Hindi, yun pa rin. South Avenue.
South Avenue pa rin.
Oo. Isa lang naman ang gate ng South Cemetery yan. Yung sa may Kalayaan, that was a Makati Cemetery. Sit on the bar.
Sitting in the bar.
This cracks me up to say on the bump, how's my driving called? It's like, it's just like, does it matter? Call? Does it? I mean, these are no taxis.
That is a crack up, huh, honey? How's my driving? DHL Express.
How long you been driving, Neil?
Jay.
Oh, Jay, I mean. About,
About 36 years.
started when you were 5.
20 years?
There's one. There's the police.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
They drive little scooters.
Yeah.
There's one right there too.
They are the special one, the special action force. They are SAF against terrorists.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Because they have a backup motorcycle and a mobile.
So I heard meron daw tayong rent na van.
Yung sa amin ng kuya, yung mga kasamahan namin na FX, we can call them right away. But ang Tito Alden, ang gusto is magre-rent ng coaster.
Ano ba yung coaster na yan?
Minibus.
Minibus?
Yeah. So we can fit in.
Sige.
Yeah.
Ilang tao yun?
About 30 person or more.
Eh, hindi naman sasamin itong mga Bisaya.
Yun na nga. Tsaka alam ko, expensive mag-rent
Magkano ba yun?
ng coaster. Kasi parang tourist bus yung ang price ng coaster eh.
It's like a tourist bus.
Yeah. Meron dyan.
Ano na, ay, bro?
Ata,